Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through this week's market action. Stocks were mostly lower with all major indices except the S&P down for the week. Small caps took the biggest hit with the Russell sliding more than 2%. The Dow lost about 0.5% while the Nasdaq was down 1/3. The S&P saw marginal gains of about 0.1%. And the week ended with some extreme volatility in the metals space. Gold futures made an 800-point move on Friday, traded 2.5% lower on the week by Friday's close. The yellow metal hit 5,600 before Friday's selling action pulled prices back to as low as $4,700 a troy ounce. Silver's plunge was steeper, futures hitting a low of $74 after reaching $121 the day before. Both metals had incredible runs in recent months. Gold still 70% higher year over year. Silver is up 150%. And Mag 7 earnings drew a lot of market attention this week as well. Microsoft kicked off the round of reports with selling action despite a top and bottom line beat and $32.9 billion in Azure cloud revenue. The issue? Cloud revenue came in flat, even though the numbers showed a 39% year-over-year increase. However, Microsoft CEO says, quote, "We are only at the beginning phases of AI diffusion." The big tech giant closed more than 7% lower on the week. Meanwhile, shares of Meta Platforms rallied close to 9% on its earnings beat. Quarterly revenue came in just under $60 billion, with current quarter guidance calling for a midpoint of $55 billion, above Wall Street's $51.3 billion expectations. The social media giant also sees $115 to $135 billion in capex spending for 2026 as it expands its AI infrastructure. And brace for more Mag 7 earnings next week with Alphabet and Amazon set to report. Also on the docket, Palantir, AMD, Disney, Uber, Chipotle, and Strategy. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.